Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 6 Pro with a broken display. As you can see there, it's not working. So let's do something about it. So I guess this is gonna be another Google Pixel 6 Pro repair here in the shop. We've had it a lot from our last week's video, so this is gonna be very familiar to our regular viewers. So we tackle it by removing the display first. So it's held on by the adhesives. You lift it from the right side. The left side, remove the retaining clip and detach the connector for the display. It's that easy. Once you've done that, you can now test the replacement display, which we have here. It's brand new. I'm just gonna align the connector and attach it. So we'll see if the smartphone is even working. Sometimes you can troubleshoot a smartphone that won't show you anything. So look at that, it's shiny, brand new. You can now see the Google logo. It's booting up and it's on, no problems. Cameras all working. Touchscreen is working, and of course we can properly shut it down. Unlike before, I'm gonna detach this and clean up. Oh no, we will remove the fingerprint sensor from the old display and put it on the new display. So it's kind of a transplant of a part. So all the steps in this repair video, this one is the trickiest, I guess, because you'll have to slice through the adhesives for the fingerprint sensor. Although you can see that the Google Pixel 6 Pro will still boot up and work normally without the fingerprint sensor, but it's nice to have fingerprint sensor. You don't need to enter your password, and of course it looks cool. It saves time and it looks cool when you try to open your device. So this is how David removes all the adhesives. You just roll it with a toothpick. Pretty meditative. It's easy when he's doing it, but once I try it myself, it's hard. I don't know how he does that. All the adhesives are now gone. It's all clean. Well, we're gonna try to remove another sensor from a different. Okay, we're gonna try to remove all the components. We haven't really finished that one yet. And then peel off the plastic from the new replacement display and make sure to align this one. It's also very tricky, but there's a lot of alignment points that you can follow. The rubber grommet for the front display camera, and here we're gonna finally install the replacement display. We're gonna test if the fingerprint sensor is okay by enrolling our fingerprint through the settings. Moment of truth, and it's working. That is a very good alignment right there. So we haven't really put some liquid glue underneath the display, so we'll shut it down again, remove the replacement display, and put some liquid glue on the housing. So this is gonna be done. I think this is all good now. You just have to reassemble everything. So if you have the same issue with your Google Pixel 6 Pro, if you want to replace the display because you broke it, or it's all scratched up, or it's got discoloration, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. We have David here who will assist you in fixing your smartphones, and of course, with good results. This is just one of many smartphones that he has fixed for the past years. So if you like this, you can get it. Just leave us a message, like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.